Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com. The devices that we use on a day-to-day basis sometimes have different ports. Some phones have a USB Type-C ports, iPhones have a Lightning port, some Android phones might have a micro USB port, and your PC might have a USB port. And not to forget Macs, because most of them have a USB Type-C port. Sometimes when you want to transfer a file, if all of your devices are having different ports, it could be somewhat difficult to easily transfer. So I was looking for a solution for this. So I came across this solution that has all 4 of these ports. So in this video, let's go ahead and unbox it and check it out. If you guys are interested in picking one up, I'll have a link for that down below in the description. So check that out. And if you're new to my channel, smash that subscribe button as well. Let's check it out. At the front of the box it says flash drive, multifunctional USB flash drive, and it says that it's compatible with iOS, Android and Windows, and it says that it's high speed. Let's see how high speed it is after the testing. At the back it says it's compatible with iPhones, and all the other file formats that it's compatible with is also mentioned, and at the bottom it also mentions that it supports Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS and Android. Opening the box up, we can find this multifunctional USB drive, and we also get this attachment that we can use to attach to our pen drive so that we won't lose it. And there's also an instruction manual that is also given here. And here we have the multifunctional USB flash drive. It's nicely protected with these caps, so let me quickly take them out and show you the product. Before I actually got this, I was thinking how they might have all of this storage inside, but after I got it, I understood the way they are doing this. Actually, the USB end is where you can put in a micro SD. Even though you get this, let's say you pick this up in a 32 gig variant or a 64 gig variant, you can later on add in a 128 gigabyte card onto this and expand the storage just like that. Or if you have multiple cards at home, you can change the cards up and use with this device. So that's pretty cool. Like I mentioned before, I bought it on AliExpress, and you can find the link for that down below in the description. And now this is how I connect to my iPhone, Android phone, Mac and Windows laptop without much issue, because all I have to do is just copy the file. Let's say if I want to copy a file from the Mac, which is USB Type-C, and then if I want to copy something onto my iPhone, I can just plug in the Lightning port and do that. If you're using an iPhone, there is a companion app to this that is available, and the instructions are given in the instruction leaflet. You can use that as the file manager for your iPhone. The application is called Widex. You can download it easily from the App Store and then transfer your files. Since I initially spoke about the speeds, here's a quick little speed test on the Mac using the Blackmagic Disk Speed Test. I actually have the metallic silver version of this here, but it's also available in a black and a white color for you to pick from, and the capacity options vary from 16 gigs up to 128 gigs. Basically, what I advise you to do is to go for the 16 gig variant and then pick up an additional higher capacity micro SD card and then expand your storage that way. I'll also have a link for a micro SD card down below in the description if you are interested in that. Well guys, I think this is a nifty tool that you should definitely add into your backpack and your collection of items. I actually have a few of them lying around now, and I constantly use this on a day-to-day basis to transfer my files with ease, because it's universal and I can use it on any device. Definitely share this video if you think this product is pretty cool, and if you're new to my channel, smash that subscribe button right now, and you can follow me on social media for behind the scenes and updates from me here in my channel. Stay tuned to Andro.com for all the latest from the tech world, and until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.